Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today I am going to explain competitive exam type questions related to logarithms. Let us see the question. Question number 1. If n equal 2021 factorial, then the value of expression 1 by log n base 2 plus 1 by log n base 3 plus 1 by log n base 4 plus so on 1 by log n base 2021 is equal to. Here options are given: a equal to -1, b equal to 10, c equal to 1, d equal to 2. Now first you have to take, this is the given one, 1 by log n base 2 plus 1 by log n base 3 plus 1 by log n base 4 plus so on 1 by log n base 2021. Here we know the formula. What that formula? Log AB base B equal 1 by log B base A. We can use the formula. So here 1 by log B base A model it is. 1 by log n base 2, how we have to write it? Log 2 base n plus 1 by log n base 3 we can write log 3 base n plus log 4 base n plus so on plus log 2021 base n. So it is of the form log x base a plus log y base a. So log x base a plus log y base a is log xy base a, means log 2 into 3 into 4 so on 2021 base n. So here 2 into 3 into 4 so on 2021. So that one we can write. So log 2021 factorial we can write. So base n. For example, 6 factorial. 6 factorial means how we have to write it? So 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 we can write. So like that 2 into 3 into 4 into so on up to 2021 we can take. 2021 factorial we need to take. So for us given n equal 2021 factorial is given. So here log 2021 factorial means we can take n base n. So log n base n value we are getting 1, means here option C is the correct. Question number 2, it is given log 1 degree base 10 plus log 2 degree base 10 plus log 3 degree base 10 so on log 89 degree base 10 equal. Here options are a equal to 0, b equal to 1, c equal to, d equal to 3. So first you have to take given one. So here log x base a plus log y base a, like that it is. Log x base a plus log y base a, it is log xy base a. So it is of the form log x base a plus log y base a, means we can take log xy base a we can take. So log xy base a means log tan 1 degree into tan 2 degree into tan 3 degree so on. In this we can get tan 45 also we are getting. Tan 45 degree so on tan 88 degree and tan 89 degree. Base 10 as it is. Now log complementary angles we need to take. So tan, what is the complementary of 189 minus 1? So 90 minus 89 we are getting 1, means 90 minus 89 degree. This 2 degree tan 90 minus 88 so on. Here middle one as it is only I am taking tan 45 degrees, so on. Remaining all terms same as it is, tan 88 degree into tan 89 degree. Base 10 as it is. Now here we know, so tan 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus theta we know that is cot theta. Tan 90 minus theta value we can get cot theta, means log cot 89 degrees into cot 88 degrees, so on. Here up to here we are getting cots. Next then here tan 45 degrees to same as it is only, so on. Tan 88 degree into tan 89 degree. Base 10 as it is. Now log cot means 1 by tan we can take. So 1 by tan 89 degree into 1 by tan 88 degree into, so on, into tan 45 as it is, tan 45 degree, so on, into tan 88 degree into tan 89 degree. So here denominator in base 10 as it is, here denominator in tan 89 degrees, numerator tan 89 degrees, tan 88 degrees, tan 88 degrees, tan 87, 87, like that we are cancelled. So only we are getting here log tan 45 degree base 10. So tan 45 degree, tan 45 value it is 1 base 10. So log a base 10, that value we know that is 0. So 0 means here option is A is correct. So tan 1 degree base 10 plus tan 2 degree base 10 plus tan 3 degree base 10, so on. Tan 89 degree base 10 value we are getting 0. Question number 3. If A equal log base 2 log base 2 log base 4 256 plus 2 log 2 base root 2, then find A. So here options are 2, B is 3, C is 5, D is 7. Now see here, given one, A equal log base 2 log 256 base 4 plus 2 log 2 base root 2. Now here base up to here, just this one only you have to see here. Here base is 4. So this 256 also you can convert into the power of 4. 4 for the 16, 16 for the 64, 64 for the 256. Means here 256 we can write 4 power 4. So A equal log base 2 log base 2 log 4 power 4 base 4 plus 2 log, here base is root 2. This 2 also we can convert into the root 2 type. So root 2 type means we can take root 2 whole square. Square root get cancelled means we are getting 2 only. Here base root 2 as it is. Now A equal log base 2 log base 2. Here it is of the form log x power m base a, means m log x base a. M log x base a means this 4 we are taking here and log 4 base 4 plus here log 2 as it is into log x power m. M log x means 2 log root 2 base root 2. A equal log base 2, here log base 2, here 4 as it is only. So here log 4 base 4, log a base a value it is 1. No need to write, if you want you can write it. Plus 2 into 2 4, log root 2 base root 2, log a base a, that value we are getting 1. So that equal A equal log base 2 log 4 into 1 4. 4 how we have to write in the power notation? Here base is 2, means base we can take that 2. 4 we can write 2 square. So 2 square base 2 plus 4 ones are 4. A equal log base 2. Here again it is of the form log x power m. M log x means 2 log 2 base 2 plus 4. Now a equal log 2 base 2. Here log 2 base 2 value is 1. No need to write plus 1 plus 4. So a equal log 2 base 2. It is of the form log a base a. Means nothing but that is 1 plus 4. So a equal 1 plus 4 value we can get 5. So here which option is correct? That is option C is correct. Option C is correct. Question number 4. The value of log 2 base 3 into log 3 base 4 into log 4 base 5 so on log 14 base 15 into log 15 base 16 equal to. So we need to find the what is the value we need to find out. So here options are A 0, B 1 by 3, C 1 by 4, D 1. So which option is we can choose. So see here given one log 2 base 3 into log 3 base 4 into log 4 base 5 so on log 14 base 15 into log 15 base 16. So it is of the form log a base b into log b base c into log c base d equal. Here base and here value is same. Here base and here value is same. Means we can take this logs we need to take. Means log a base d we need to take. Log a base d. Means here once you have to see log 2 base 3. Here base and here value is same. Here 4, here value is same. Here 5, here value is same. Here and here like that. Here 15 and here 15 is same. Means we can write log here 2 base last value. That base you have to take. Now here 2 it is log 2 as it is. So this 16 also you can convert into the power of 2. Power of 2 means 2 into 2 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16 means 2 power 4 we can write. So 2 power 4 already we know the formula. Log a base x power m equal 1 by m log a base x. So that equal 1 by 4 log 2 base 2. That implies 1 by 4 log 2 base 2. What is the value of log 2 base 2? That value we can get 1. That equal 1 by 4 into 1. That value we can get 1 by 4. So here options in C is correct. 1 by 4. C value is correct. I hope you are enjoyed this session and this session is very helpful for you. If you need of interesting such videos, then please subscribe the channel and try to share this video to your friends and family members as much as possible. Don't forget like and comment. We will meet in the next video. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you very much.